mathematicians. So today is another review day. Remember, we've already learned all of the math for kindergarten. But to make sure you're ready for first grade, each day we're going to go back and we're going to review one thing that we learned to make sure you still have it sharp in your brain. Today we're going to be thinking more about addition. We are going to be talking about a special kind of addition. This is the kind where you have 10 and some more to make a teen number. Let's go over our teen numbers. Ready? Those are numbers that are more than 10, but less than 20. Ready? So we have 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Notice that those numbers end in teen, not T. 40 or 40 is different than 14. All right, today we are going to look at some number talks. Let me show you. Here's the first one. How many dots are there? You can say my answer is, I know because. That's right, there are 11 dots. How do you know? Yeah, maybe some of you counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What's another way we could know? Can we use what we know about tens frames? Yeah, we have one full tens frame up here. That means that this is automatically a group of 10. We don't even need to count it. We can see it and say a full tens frame, that's 10 dots. And then we have one more. We have a 10 and some more. How many more? One more. 10 plus one more equals 11 in all. Listen, 10, 11. This equal sign tells us that what's on this side and what's on this side are really the same. Having 10 and 1 is really the same as having 11. All right, let's try and use our knowledge of tens frames to try another one. How many dots are there? How do you know? You can say, my answer is, I know because. Yes, there are 12 dots in all. We could count them, but we can also use what we know about tens frames. This up here is one whole tens frame, so we don't even need to count it. We know that that is 10. We can say, oh, I know that. That's a full tens frame. So it must be 10 dots because every square is full. And then we have some more. How many more? One more, two more. We can count up. We have 10, 11, 12. Count it with me. 10, 11, 12. 10 plus 2 more equals 12. This 10 represents the 10 in the tens frame. This 2 is for the 2 dots more. The plus sign shows that we're putting them together. The equal sign tells us what's over here is really the same as what's over here. Having 10 and 2 together is the same as having 12. And the 12 is for the 12 dots we have in all. Ready to do one more? All right, let's look at this one. How many dots are there? How do you know? you can say, my answer is 15 dots. And how do you know? Well, there's a lot of ways we could know. We could count, but we could also use what we know about tens frames. This right here is one full tens frame. And then we have some more. How many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Let's count up. 10, count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 in all. 10 dots plus 5 more dots equals 15 in all. What does this 10 stand for? You can say the 10 represents the 10 is for the 10 dots in the full tens frame. What does the plus sign mean? Yes. That means we're putting together, adding. What is this 5 for? What does the 5 represent? You can say the 5 represents yes, the 5 represents these 5 dots. The 5 more we have after the full tens frame. What does the equal sign tell us? You can say the equal sign tells us yes, that both sides are the same. 10 and 5 is really the same as 15. What is the 15 for? The 15 is for the 15 dots we have in all. You also might see this as 5's frames. Maybe you said, we have one row with 5, one full 5's frame. We have another row of 5, another group of 5. And then we have another group of 5, 3 groups of 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals what? Let's count it on our fingers. 5 fingers plus 5 more, that's 10, and then 10 and another 5. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more makes 15. Awesome work. Time to try it for your homework.